It's just a really nice, flavoursome piece of the animal that not a lot of people get to experience.
Yes.
So you
It'll
have
be a
it,
first for me.
and you can tell people that it's turkey necks or whatever you want to tell.
Hi, I'm Leon Krop and I've got Pietman Geldenhuys here with me. Pietman, so I was just going to ask you, what are we doing today?
Today we're going to make a conventional, just a very traditional sheep's tails. For starters, is this an English program?
Yeah, absolutely it is, yes.
You take your sheep's tails, you pack them in a single layer. The other secret is any brown vinegar, as long as it's brown vinegar, drizzle it slowly, like that. Not too fast, because you don't want to scare the sheep's tails away. And then you take bees' honey, because I don't think you get a different kind of honey. An extra bit of garlic. Just what's that guy?
Oh yes, oh yes.
Bet he doesn't do it with garlic at home. It gets stuck in your things. And then we're going to put it in the oven.
No braai is complete without a braai broodjie.
Is that enough cheese?
No, yeah,
Okay.
for six of them.
Not much more to be said for that, apart from
Let's do this.
let's do this.
Let's head to the braai.
Yeah. With every time you braai, you've got to have a sandwich. We're just going to do a wee salad on a stick, so it's easy to carry around in case you want to eat it while you're on the move in your garden. I prefer to just keep still when I'm having a braai, you know.
Doesn't look like rocket science, even though
It is. It's just the two of us, so four is enough.
just the two of us.
We can make it a way.
But can we
Braai.
if we braai? Pietman,
So
like
now,
they say, the proof is in the sheep tail, I suppose.
this is like takeaways from nature.
Well,
Oh.
cheers then.
Cheers. I don't know, do we, well, for a vegetarian, we can do that whole lassie thing. Cheers.